So many parents find themselves stuck with this dilemma that whether to have the second child when your first child is already has a lot of energy and he is so hyperactive. So basically, juggling everything together, especially giving your time to the first one, and when the second one comes, your attention goes separate with each kid, and sometimes you feel biased also, and a child cannot also be seen in the parents behavior. That can a child can see this in the parents behavior also sometimes. When the child is born, they won't their situation is not that smart to understand the situation, but as the time passes they will judge you, definitely judge you. Sometimes I also hear this thing from my first elder one, and if I share you my experience about the second child, I was not 99% sure to have the second child, but my pediatrician, but sorry, but my son's pediatrician, Dr. Shalini, she suggested me just to go for that, and definitely you will see a sudden change, a drastic change in the nature of your child. And that was the moment. I right now also I'm thanking her that I approached this thing, and मैंने उनकी बात सुनी, and I took it very seriously. And 90-70% my son has improved just cause of my second kid, because the playing things together they are doing, they are eating together. Social जो था उनका वो खुद ब खुद सारा डेवलप हो गया. And it is just how you want to manage things together. It's not about the child, I think. And me and my husband did that separately. The first child I have given to him when the second one was born, because I cannot give my attention to both at the same time, because the first second child needs the most. We was on breastfeeding, so whether it's giving individual attention to them or establishing anything, any routine or any teaching technique, that is the reason how that's the thing how sibling basically love generates. And seeking professional support from your pediatrician, just ask, just discuss your child's situation with them, and then just go for it. Don't think that thinking about the second child, just it will go like this, the time will go like this in a jiffy. It will not. Sometimes you will feel overwhelmed, sometimes you also feel so मतलब tortured कि मैंने क्यों किया. बट देयर मस्ट बी टाइम जब आपको लगेगा कि नहीं, दिस वॉज द मोस्ट वैल्यूबल थिंग. बट प्लीज डिस्कस योर फर्स्ट चाइल्ड सिचुएशन फर्स्ट टू द पीडियाट्रिशियन, देन ओनली I would love to suggest you this thing. If your efforts, अगर आपका effort 50% लग रहा है उस बच्चे में फर्स्ट में, then it is okay, just go for it. Don't feel shy about that, what people will say, what people will talk. And the reaction is normal, but proactive strategies basically focusing on each child's uniqueness, and it's the firm boundaries and abundant emotional support are essential for a healthy family. So you should go for it, and just please talk to your pediatrician, talk to people around you, and more than people around you, talk to your pediatrician. She knows your child much better than you also might somewhere. So if any comment or suggestion, please suggest.